The vision behind this restoration is to take the golf course back to the phone's original design intent, the original phone's vision. Keys to success with this restoration are really...
Golf fans, there's a storm brewing at Oakmont. The US Open's next stop has fans fuming over a shocking change. Ready for the drama? Like this video and let's tee off. Oakmont Country Club, the iconic Pennsylvania beast, hosts its 10th US Open in June 2025, but it's already in the rough with fans. Known for lightning-fast greens, 5-inch rough and tree-lined fairways, Oakmont's a grinder's test. But a drastic renovation, removing hundreds of trees, has sparked outrage, with fans calling it dumb and sad to see on social media. Is this historic course losing its soul? Share your take and follow for more. Once a maze of oaks and pines, Oakmont's tree removal, part of a decades-long link-style restoration, has fans heated. Golf analyst Lou Stagner slammed the move and fans piled on. One raged, "Catering to the swing as hard as I can crowd." Another mourned, "It's a shame. Trees gave strategy." Critics say the open layout favors 300-yard bombers like Bryson DeChambeau, risking low scores unbefitting the US Open's brutal rep. Like this if you're team trees. Since the 1990s, Oakmont's cut over 12,600 trees to restore founder H.C. Found's 1903 treeless vision. Supporters argue trees blocked sunlight, hurt turf, and hid views like the Allegheny Valley. Gil Hanse's 2023 renovation, lengthening the course to 7,372 yards, leaned into this. But fans fear it's now a mash and gash track, not the tactical chessboard of old. Share this debate and follow us, with Scottie, Scheffler, and Rory McIlroy eyeing the June 12th to 15th showdown. The tree-free Oakmont could see birdie fests, defying its 77.5 course rating. Fans worry the USGA's setup, 175 bunkers, 15 stimp greens, won't offset the open fairways. Will tradition fall to modernization? Comment your US Open prediction. Oakmont's tree purge has golf fans raging. Is it a dumb move or a bold return to roots? Tell us below, like, share, and follow for more golf drama as the US Open nears. Keep it in the fairway, fans.